Hey everyone, my name is Thomas Breeze. I'm the owner and co-founder of Chaseki Tea. We're located in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and you're watching episode number 4 of our ongoing video series, All You Need to Know About Matcha. The goal of this series is to educate you a little bit more about matcha, and even you might have heard a lot of things about this incredible product. There's still a lot of mystery about matcha, and a lot of people talk about it. And I want to make sure that you actually know why matcha is so special and why matcha should be on your daily list of products that you consume. In my previous videos, I already mentioned that matcha is very special in terms of production because the tea leaves are shaded for at least 4 weeks. The shading increases the chlorophylls and the vitamins in the tea plant. The production itself is also quite special. And today's video is about the health benefits of matcha. So I made some notes because it's actually quite a lot, and I want to make sure that you actually get all the knowledge that you could possibly get from me. So please excuse if I have to peek every now and then, and let's dive right into it, right? So matcha is a powerhouse in terms of antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Well, antioxidants are your body's army, the defense system of your body, and antioxidants help your body to stop the aging or to slow down aging of your body cells. It's also your defense system in terms of when it comes to fight diseases or infections. Matcha also contains antioxidants which is called EGCg, which stands for epigallocatechins, and this is a special catechin and provides it helps you to fight cancer cells in your body. These catechins counteract the effects of the free radicals that you are exposed to every day by UV lights, by radiation, and pollution outside, and also chemicals, and this will actually lead to damages of your cells. So antioxidants are very important for your body to prevent this damage in your cells. That's why actually if you drink a lot of green tea and matcha, you look younger, your cells are regenerating much faster, and it's better for your skin, it's better for your hair. So this is definitely something that you should consider in terms of health benefits. Matcha is a powerhouse in antioxidants. You can do some research on yourself. I think there's nothing on this planet actually that offers more antioxidants than matcha. Why is that so? Because you actually consume the entire tea leaf. It's not that you brew the tea. You consume 100% of the tea leaf. That's why you get all the nutritions, all the minerals that matcha offers into your body, and you benefit from this. The next thing is matcha supports your weight loss. If you want to lose weight or if you want to live more healthy, I definitely recommend you to drink more matcha. Matcha has almost no calories, which is beneficial because you can drink more of it. It boosts your metabolism, it burns fat, and it can help you to burn calories up to 4 times faster. That's what research says, and this helps you to live a healthier lifestyle, and as I said, it can help you to lose some extra pounds. Another thing that is very important about matcha, it contains a lot of amino acids, especially Ltheanine. And Ltheanine helps you to concentrate and focus. It helps you to relax at the same time. That's why we like to call it Zenergy. Matcha offers energy, so that means you are alert, in an alert mode, but at the same time you're very calm. That's why Zen monks in Japan used to drink matcha or still drink matcha before meditation. So they're very focused on their meditation, but at the same time they're very relaxed. The L-theanine can also help you to increase your well-being. by acting upon the brain function. So basically what L-theanine is doing, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and goes directly into your brain, and it can create, or it creates alpha waves, and those alpha waves actually lead to the relaxed alertness. So this is what I mentioned before. If you want to meditate or if you want to relax, drink a cup of matcha and you will see the benefits that it will have on you. Same goes if you want to study, because matcha actually increases your memory function and it helps you when you are learning new things. When you study for school, college, or if you just want to learn something new in your life, I definitely recommend you to drink more matcha. I've experienced that myself. It's so much easier to focus on things, and it's a lot of fun to learn stuff. Drinking matcha actually helps. And the L-theanine also eliminates the negative side effects of the caffeine. Maybe you have had a cup of coffee in your life, or maybe a cup of coffee too much, and you started to get the jitters. So this is like a nervous reaction that caffeine can create in your body, and the L-theanine tunes that down. So you have the alertness and the awareness of the caffeine that you're actually looking for, so you get the energy boost, but at the same time you're calm. And actually a matcha bowl, or a bowl of matcha, promotes the concentration for you. It increases the clarity without the nervous energy found in coffee, as I already mentioned. You have no jitters. I've been drinking a lot of coffee in the past, and when I drank more than 2 or 3 coffees, cup of coffee per day, I started to get the jitters. I didn't feel comfortable, and all these things you do not have with matcha. So these are definitely benefits for you if you work in an office, or if you have to work on the computer for a longer time. This is definitely something that you should consider, because you can drink more matcha. It increases your energy level, you can focus much better, and you don't have that jitters. And you also have not that, maybe you can relate to that, drinking coffee after an hour and a half or so, you have that rapid drop of energy. You do not have that with matcha. So matcha delivers a much longer time energy, which is also related to the L-theanine. The L-theanine makes the caffeine go slower into your system, so it's actually that your caffeine or the matcha energy lasts you up to 4 to 6 hours compared to a cup of coffee, which lasts you only about 60 to 90 minutes maximum. And then again, you have that rapid drop. You need to drink more caffeine or coffee, and which is not very good for you. So drink matcha. Another thing matcha does for your body, it detoxifies. So it helps to prevent the liver. It lowers the cholesterol levels, which is good for your heart. It's rich in fiber. It's rich in chlorophyll. Matcha provides amounts of vitamins, minerals, such as selenium, chromium, zinc, and magnesium. So it's super healthy, as you can see. And since I've been drinking matcha on a daily basis, I rarely get any cold. And if I actually get a cold, it doesn't take much time to recover. The most, just recently, I had one after almost 1 year without any problems. I recovered within 4 to 5 days. So I can tell the difference between the times before drinking matcha on a daily basis and now. Yeah, as I already mentioned, matcha lowers the cholesterol level, and also matcha helps you to lower the blood sugar level, which also helps you not to get those peaks. So you don't get that hungry with a high sugar level. You always get that munchy, you want to eat more, and drinking more matcha helps you actually to lower your blood sugar levels as well. Another side fact is 1 cup of matcha actually delivers you as much nutrition as 10 cups of regular green tea. So as you can see, 1 cup of matcha is very rich in nutrition, vitamins, and I can tell you, since I've been drinking matcha, I feel a lot better. It's beneficial in many ways. And yeah, Let me know what you think about matcha. Did you have any experiences so far? Did you drink matcha in the past, or are you a matcha addict? Do you drink matcha on a daily basis? Please leave a comment in the comment box below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell that you get an information every time that I upload a new video. We do that right now on a daily basis, a lot of tea tastings and recipe options. So if you're interested in that, I encourage you do that. Hit the subscribe button, follow us on YouTube, and please also follow us on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/chaseki.tea. Information will be also in the description box. And we have an Instagram account where we upload beautiful pictures of the products that we sell. So please follow us on Instagram as well, at Instagram at chaseki.tea. And if you're interested in purchasing any of our products, please visit our website. We have a beautiful online shop with lots of different types of matchas, tea wares, everything that you need to become a professional matcha lover. And that's all for today. Next video will be uploaded tomorrow, and it will be about I don't know yet, we will see. So follow us, check out the videos tomorrow, and next week Sunday will be video number 5 of our ongoing video series. So if you're interested in that, please follow us, and see you next time. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.